And do you know what I love doing the most? Helping my mom with her shoots, learning camera from Pratik Bhaiya, and troubling Naseem Bhai. I have so much fun doing this. So together, we are gonna cook some yummy and healthy food for you. So guys, welcome to my show.
So guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Zoraan. So Zoraan, what are we cooking today?
Ratatouille!
And why is that?
Because I love Ratatouille, because I watched the movie Ratatouille and since then I really wanted to make it.
Okay, so it's because of the movie. And what about the vegetables?
I love eating them.
Are you sure?
Sure.
So if you're gonna cook it, you're gonna eat it.
Yeah.
What else are you gonna do today?
Be a YouTuber. I helped my mother buy the vegetables. I helped my mother clean the vegetables. My favorite part, I helped my mother chop the vegetables. And now my mother is cook and I'm trying to make this funny. And now my mother is going to cook and I'm going to eat.
So let's get cooking.
And let's get do it. Especially.
Oh, that's the movie. You made this for the movie? Oh, it looks like you already have some on your plate. I've never had so many veggies in my life.
I'm going to have more than this veggies.
Okay, so guys, how is it?
Yeah, let me check. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. It's like a pizza.
Awesome. So guys, if you like what we are doing, please like and share our video. Comment down below what will we be cooking next time for you. Coffee, Coca-Cola, coffee, Mama, how are you doing? Coffee, Zoraan. So guys, keep watching us because next time we are going to be cooking some yummy cookies and subscribe to our channel Zukazu now.